Hello babies. So you're enjoying at home and you're studying as well, I hope. And I hope कि आपने सैम्पल पेपर्स भी कर लिए होंगे. बहुत जल्दी आपको आपके टर्म वन के एग्ज़ाम्स आने वाले, आपको पता है. सो लेट्स डू द रिवीजन. हमने कल रिवीजन में क्या करा था? वी डिड द फीलिंग वर्ड्स एंड द मूवमेंट ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स, इजंट इट? आज भी वी विल डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिवीजन, राइट? बिकॉज हमारा सिलेबस तो कंप्लीट हो गया है, बट रिवीजन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो लेट्स डू इट. बट हमने कल क्या डिस्कस किया था? वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट 3 चैप्टर्स, इजंट इट? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. So today we will discuss about the 4th lesson. So what was your 4th lesson? Your 4th lesson was Animal Adventures, isn't it? Whereby we have studied about the elephant artist whose name was Ruby, right? She was an elephant and she was born in Thailand, but she was brought to the Phoenix Zoo of US, right? And then she spent her whole life there and she was a beautiful artist which was discovered by the caretaker of Ruby, isn't it? And her paintings were beautiful. She was trained to paint and her paintings were sold in dollars. Then looking at her, some more elephants were also trained and 2 elephants from India were also trained, right? Okay, then the last chapter, and then we did a poem also, right? Eli Telephony, where the poet got confused और वो सारे words को उल्टे सीधे बोल रहा था, right? Telephant, एलिफोनी ऐसे बोलता था, isn't it? Then we did the last chapter which was about the people who help us every day, like the postman, the doctor, the carpenter, the fire brigade people, isn't it? The garbage takers जो garbage उठा के ले जाते हैं, डस्टबिन सफाई करते हैं, isn't it? So we learnt about them, and then let's proceed with our revision part 2. Okay? And one more thing, and we did the poetry also, right? About the gardener, isn't it? Do you remember? Okay. Now let's proceed with revision part 2, revision exercise 2. Here what we have to do is we have to read the passage and then we have to underline the words that shows the movement वाले words को underline करना है. Okay, so let's read the passage first. As the game started, the goat leaped onto the highest rock it could find. The snake slithered and hid in a hole. The squirrels scampered up the tree. The rabbit hopped and hid itself behind the bushes. When all animals hid themselves, the lion prowled around looking for them. Right? So you remember this? This is also from your lesson of Animal Adventures. Do you remember? So what are the movement wale words that we read over here? The goat leaped, isn't it? So leaped is a movement. Then the snake slithered. Slither is a movement. Squirrels scampered. Scampered is a movement. Rabbit hopped. Hopped is a movement. Lion prowled. Prowled is a movement, right? So movement वाले words को आपको underline करना है, right? Okay. Now number 2. Here you have to fill in the blanks from the story. जो हमने स्टोरी टेक्स्ट बुक में की है उससे रिलेटेड fill in the blanks. Elements. Number 1. Elephants are gifted with the talent of. Elephants के पास कौन सा talent का gift है जो भगवान ने उन्हें दिया है? Talent of painting. Why? Because Ruby was also a painter, isn't it? Okay. So elephants are gifted with the talent of painting. Ruby was born in dash. Where was Ruby born? Ruby was born in Thailand, isn't it? Number 3. Ruby was transported to the dash zoo in the United States. What was the name of the zoo? Phoenix Zoo, right? Number 4. Though dolphins spend their life in water, they are not dash. And dolphins are not. What are the dolphins? Dolphins are not fish. Do you know that? Dolphins are not counted in fish, although they spend their whole life in water. So dash में क्या आएगा? Fish. They are dash. What are they? They are mammals, right? Though dolphins spend their life in water, they are not fish. They are mammals. Number 5. Dolphins use their powerful dash in an up and down motion to move through the water. Dolphins क्या use करते हैं? Their powerful tail, right? Dolphins अपने powerful tails को ऊपर नीचे करके पानी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए use करते हैं. So what do they use? They use their powerful tail. Number 6. A group of dolphins is called. Group of dolphins को क्या बोलते हैं? We call them pod, right? You remember? Okay. Now number 7. Dolphins have a very good dash. Dolphins के पास क्या होता है? They have a very good hearing power. सुनने की शक्ति बहुत अच्छी होती है उनकी. Okay. Now number 3. Put the comma at correct places. कहीं भी हम डेट लिखते हैं ना तो डेट के बाद we put a comma. So you have to put a comma in the correct place after the date, right? So here what is it? My birthday is on August 18th. So 18 के बाद you put a comma. I celebrate it with my family, right? She was born on July 10, 2002. So July 10 के बाद put a comma. The school was closed on October 7, 2017 because of heavy rain. So after October 7 के बाद put a comma. The meeting scheduled for 8 March 2018 was cancelled. So after 8 March के बाद you put a comma. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. So after 15 August, put a comma. Right? So I have explained you कि अगर कहीं पे dates लिखे हो तो dates के बाद आपको comma लगाना होता है, right? या अगर कहीं पर डेट्स नहीं लिखा है, ओनली ईयर भी लिखा है, सपोज 2018, 2015, 16 कुछ भी लिखा हो तो ईयर के बाद भी कॉमा लगता है, राइट? सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दिस नाउ. रिवीजन पार्ट 3 वी विल डू इट टुमारो.